which of the following is a recently originated problem of the environment? Recently, see, let's talk about it. Here you can say, suppose this is our earth. Okay. Now the earth is protected by the harmful UV rays with this blanket present in the atmosphere, which is made up of ozone. Okay. Now what does this ozone do? Let's see, what does this ozone do? So this ozone protects from the harmful UV radiation coming on the earth. So it protects it. Okay. Now what happened? That because of the use of the CFCs that is liberated from the refrigerators and from the ACs. So what happened? The CFCs consist of chlorine and fluorine, and this disintegrates the oxygen. The chlorine breaks the ozone and breaks it into oxygen and elemental or radical oxygen. Okay, so now this leads to the formation of ozone depletion, and this has led to the formation of ozone hole. Okay, this has led to the formation of ozone hole. That means there is ozone absent there, and because of this, UV radiations enter the earth, and because of that, it causes a number of harmful effects. Of UV radiation, like it causes skin cancer, it causes cataract, it causes low productivity of crop, and it causes harm to the marine life, to the animals, and many more, right? So the ozone layer depletion is a very important problem that we are facing right now because of the use of CFCs, generating ACs and fridge. Now let's see that why is this ozone. Let's talk about the greenhouse effect. So yes, because we are using a lot of ACs, we are using a lot of automobiles, that has led to the formation of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and this has increased. Okay, so the greenhouse effect has increased, and because of greenhouse effect, increased in temperature of earth has been observed. That has led to a lot of things. That has led to floods and melting of glaciers that led to floods. Okay, so yes, and this increase in the temperature of the earth, the global increase in temperature of earth because of the greenhouse effect, this phenomena is known as global warming. And all of these are very threatening problems that we are facing. So the correct answer is all of these. Ozone layer depletion, greenhouse effect, global warming are very crucial problems that we should look upon.